How to send a photo via Messenger. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to send a photo via Messenger. It's actually pretty simple, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. There are actually ways how to send a photo via Messenger. First, let's hop into the photo gallery. Then choose a photo that you want to send here. Whether you are using an Android or iPhone, just tap on the share button right here. As you can see, there is the Messenger app. So just tap on that. Then tap on the person that you want to send this photo to. You can also write a message right here. And when you're done, tap Send at the top. The other way to send a photo via Messenger is to go to the Messenger app. From here, tap on this icon right here. Then choose a photo from here and tap on it. And tap Send. And that's it. I hope this video helps you. See you on my next video.